Are you interested in becoming a front-end developer? Are you ready to take your coding skills to the next level? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the world of front-end development, providing you with essential tips and tricks to help you master this exciting field. Front-end development is all about creating the user-facing part of a website or application. It involves designing and building intuitive, visually appealing interfaces that users will love. To become a front-end developer, you'll need to be proficient in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web, and gaining expertise in these languages is crucial. In addition, having a solid understanding of responsive design and user experience principles is essential. You'll be responsible for ensuring that your creations work seamlessly across different devices and create a delightful user experience. Don't forget about the tools that can make your job easier. Familiarize yourself with popular frameworks like React or Angular, as they can significantly speed up your development process. Remember, front-end development is a fast-paced field, and staying updated on the latest trends and technologies is crucial. Follow blogs, attend webinars, and join online communities to stay in the loop. As you gain hands-on experience and build an impressive portfolio, you'll have the opportunity to work on exciting projects and collaborate with other talented developers. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards mastering front-end development today. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, there are always new skills to learn and techniques to explore. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning. With dedication and hard work, you can become a true master of front-end development.